Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your theme design to Squarespace without breaking SEO. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by analyzing your current website's design and structure. Make a list of key elements such as layouts, color schemes, and fonts. Review your existing SEO strategy and identify high-performing keywords. Back up your current website to ensure no data is lost during the transfer. Sign in to your Squarespace account or create a new one. Choose a template that closely matches your existing design. Start by customizing the basic settings in Squarespace. Adjust site styles to align with your brand's colors and fonts. Then, navigate to the page settings to replicate your current website's layout. For each page, create new pages in Squarespace with the same names and URLs. Use the Squarespace editor to add content blocks that correspond with your original design. Upload images carefully, ensuring they are optimized for web use to improve load times. Copy and paste your textual content into the new pages, maintaining the original formatting. After populating your site, check internal links, ensure they function correctly. Next, optimize on-page SEO settings for each page. Use the appropriate title tags, meta descriptions, and alt text for images. Set up URL redirects for any changes in URLs to preserve link equity. Connect your domain to the new Squarespace site. Test the site's functionality, checking for broken links or missing elements. Once everything looks correct, launch your site. After launch, monitor the site's performance using Google Analytics. Track changes in traffic and rankings to assess the impact on SEO. Make necessary adjustments based on your findings to enhance performance. Regularly update your site to keep it fresh and engaging for visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.